Well, good Saturday afternoon to you, fellas, and anybody else that's watching. Well, today, my brake controller wasn't working, so I replaced it with this one. Little digital one. You can change the thing there. Don't know what to set it yet. I'll know that when I hook up to a trailer eventually. But the brake controller that replaced is right here. Now, I don't know about you, but I have never seen a brake controller that big. And yeah, that big. So I'm guessing that's probably the original that's been in this truck when it was brand new back in '96. But it was easy. It comes with the truck has a plug like that you can just plug in. So I had to get an adapter to go from the new plug of the brake controller to go fit the truck plug, and it just plugs in right there. So that was easy. Didn't have to do any wire modifications on it. But I haven't decided where I want to mount it yet. I'm thinking probably about right here. About the only really place you can put it. I mean, I probably could put it right there, but then it'd probably get in the way of the shifter possibly, and then it wouldn't be as easy to adjust it if I need to. If you know what I mean. So yeah, I'll probably just go right there, I think. I don't think this one, I can't find where this was just sitting on the floor in front of the shifter, so it wasn't even mounted anywhere. So I don't know where they had it mounted, or if they had it mounted or not, so I don't know. So anyways, yeah, probably just put it right there. But then it might get in the way of this four-wheel drive shifter. I'll have to think about it and figure it out. That right there, I don't know. Leave in the comments below where you have yours, if you got a truck like this, where you got your brake controller mounted. But anyways, yeah. Electronics have come a long ways. They've gotten more advanced and smaller. Well, anyways, have a good day.